Why are you doing that, Chipu?
It's two-step.
Two-step? What is two-step? Where?
It's here.
Come and show me what has happened. Let's see. You didn't give Godfrey? You didn't give Fifi?
I don't know.
Where is he?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Now why have you kept the tooth? Ah, what's this? What's this? Who has put this on the phone?
It's me.
But why? Why did you do that?
Let me put it.
It's you who put it? All right. Okay, we'll remove it.
Put for me.
What?
Put for me.
What should I put?
Two-step.
No, it's not toothpaste. It's toothpaste.
Two-step.
Anyway, you will learn as you grow.